When we create Ao with a whole body and expressive arm gestures, then we use the sounds A and U. Now I show you 3 variations. Stand up straight with the arms and hands parallel, creating the U in the body so that you can experience the power and decisiveness of the U gesture with its dominance in the inner world. Then you move the right arm to the side, creating an opening A gesture with this arm, which you then ray through. Then the outer world becomes present as well. I am present in myself as well as awake to the outer world. In recreating this Ao in the body and then allowing the other arm to bend at the elbow so that both forearms are parallel, in creating an U, then you may experience an outward stream with a straight arm and an incoming stream in the other, raying out and streaming in, and then trying to keep a balance between these two. Can you experience what this activity does to your body and what influence it has on your uprightness? In me, the uprightness is strengthened and more powerful from inside. That's why I like to call this variation the equilibrium Ao. You could, of course, experience the opposite streams in the arms, streaming in the stretched arm and out in the bent arm. The other direction is easier to start off with. In the big Ao gesture, you start by making a big A gesture above, experiencing its receiving quality. Then you slowly bend one arm until the forearm is parallel to the other and forms an U. If I maintain my consciousness for the periphery whilst bending the arm and forming the Ao, creating a strong center, then the big Ao comes into being that controls the periphery out of the center. A sun-like principle, which one could also call the cosmic Ao, presence in the cosmos. As the sun doesn't just unfold its activity in one direction, but into the whole surrounding space, and is also encircled by planets, you can also try to make this gesture in a circular manner and try to see whether you can create the presence in the cosmos from your heart. The in-streaming principle of the R builds a strong heart and a strong self-consciousness. From there you expand your heart consciousness, becoming the ordering principle of the surrounding space.